Ever wondered how the digital world thrives on the power of data? How do businesses make informed decisions? In the vast expanse of the digital universe, data is the lifeblood that fuels our journey. Every click, every swipe, every like, it's all data. It's the language in which our digital lives are written, and it's the lens through which businesses view the world. Imagine a business as a ship navigating the open seas. Data is the compass that guides the journey, the map that outlines the path, and the weather vane that signals the coming storms. It helps businesses understand their customers, predict trends, and make strategic decisions. But just as a ship's captain must trust his compass, so must a business trust its data. And that's where data management comes in. It's the process of ensuring that the data a business collects is accurate, reliable, and secure. It's about putting systems in place to protect the integrity of the data, to validate its authenticity, and to guard against loss or theft. In short, data management is about making sure that the compass is true, the map is accurate, and the weather vane is reliable. Effective data management is no small task. It's a complex and demanding process that requires a deep understanding of both the technical aspects of data collection and storage and the strategic implications of data use. It involves everything from data architecture and database design to data security and privacy to data governance and compliance. It's a multidisciplinary effort that requires a team of skilled professionals, each with their own areas of expertise. But despite its complexity, the importance of effective data management cannot be overstated. Because in a world where data is king, those who can manage it effectively hold the keys to the kingdom. So whether you're a business looking to navigate the digital seas, or a data scientist seeking to understand the nature of the data universe, remember this: knowing how to manage data effectively is the key to unlocking its true potential. Two popular methods of data management are data lakes and data warehouses. But what are they? Imagine a vast body of water, a lake, where all sorts of data flow in from various streams. This is what we call a data lake. It's a centralized repository that allows you to store all your structured and unstructured data at any scale. You can store your data as is, without having to first structure the data and run different types of analytics, from dashboards and visualizations to big data processing, real-time analytics and machine learning to guide better decisions. On the other side of the spectrum, we have data warehouses. Picture a large, well-organized warehouse where data is stored in a more structured manner. Unlike a data lake, a data warehouse only stores data that has been cleaned, processed, and transformed. We can think of it as a library where books are carefully categorized and organized for easy retrieval. This makes a data warehouse more suited to handling structured data from transactions, business operations, and other routine business activities. The primary purpose of both a data lake and a data warehouse is to store data. However, the type of data they store, how the data is stored, and how the data is used varies. Data lakes are designed to handle the vast volume and variety of data that businesses generate today, from social media posts to machine log files. They are ideal for big data and real-time analytics. Data warehouses, on the other hand, are designed to help businesses make data-driven decisions. They store historical data in a structured format, which makes it easier to perform complex queries and generate reports. This is why businesses often use data warehouses for business intelligence activities, such as creating sales forecasts and analyzing customer behavior. Although they serve a similar purpose, they are not the same. Let's delve deeper. Imagine a vast lake filled with different types of data, all in their raw, unprocessed form. That's a data lake for you. In essence, a data lake is a storage repository that can hold a large amount of raw data in its native format until it's needed. Picture it as a large container of data poured from various sources, each data element existing in its most authentic, unaltered state. The data could be structured, unstructured, semi-structured. The data lake doesn't discriminate. It allows for all types to coexist, making it a diverse ecosystem of data elements. But the magic of a data lake isn't just about its capacity to store raw data. It's also about the flexibility it provides. Unlike traditional data storage systems, a data lake doesn't require you to define the data structure or schema at the time of storage. Instead, you can define the schema when you're ready to read the data. This is often referred to as schema on read, a distinct characteristic that makes data lakes incredibly flexible and user-friendly. This flexibility extends to data processing and analysis as well. With a data lake, data scientists have the freedom to explore raw data and manipulate it in various ways to uncover insights. They can run different types of analytics, from dashboards and visualizations to big data processing, real-time analytics and machine learning to guide better decisions. Moreover, data lakes are designed to handle the scale of big data. They can store petabytes of information, accommodating the massive data volumes that modern organizations deal with. And because the data remains in its raw form, it can be accessed and analyzed more quickly, making a data lake a powerful tool for real-time analytics. In summary, a data lake is a large, flexible and diverse repository that holds raw data in its native format. It allows for flexible data processing and analysis, making it an invaluable resource for data scientists and organizations alike. Data lakes, with their flexibility and raw data storage, offer a unique approach to data management. Now picture a large warehouse meticulously organized with data processed and structured for specific purposes. Welcome to the world of data warehousing. In the vast universe of data management, a data warehouse is like a well-curated library. It's a storage system where data is not just dumped, but carefully processed, organized and structured. All the data here has been through a journey, collected, cleaned, validated and transformed from raw, unstructured data into a more digestible, user-friendly format. But why do we need to process and structure data? The answer is simple. For ease of access and efficiency. Just like how a library categorizes books by genre, author or subject, a data warehouse categorizes data in a way that makes it easier for users to locate and utilize the information they need. This structured approach allows businesses to pull out specific data subsets for analysis, enabling them to make informed decisions swiftly and accurately. But a data warehouse is more than just a storage system. It serves as a hub for business intelligence activities. Its primary purpose is to store processed and refined data that can be used for reporting, analysis, and decision-making processes. In essence, it's like a treasure chest, holding valuable insights that can drive business strategies and spur growth. However, one must remember that a data warehouse is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The data stored here is purpose-specific. It's designed to answer predefined questions and cater to specific business needs. It might not be the best place to look for answers to new, unexpected queries. Yet, its structured nature ensures that for the questions it is designed to answer, it provides accurate and efficient results. So, let's circle back to our initial imagery. A large, organized warehouse. Each aisle, each shelf, each box holds specific processed data ready to provide valuable insights at a moment's notice. This is the power of a data warehouse. Data warehouses, with their structured approach, provide a different perspective to data management. So, we have two distinct methods of data management. But how do they compare? Let's dive right in. On the surface, data lakes and data warehouses might seem like two sides of the same coin. They both deal with vast amounts of data, after all. But when you look closer, you'll find that they each have their unique strengths and applications. Let's start with the structure, or lack thereof. Data lakes are like a vast unfiltered reservoir accepting all types of data, structured or unstructured, in its raw form. This allows for great flexibility and potential for discovery. On the other hand, a data warehouse is more like a carefully curated museum. Data is transformed and structured before entering, making it easier to access and analyze, but potentially limiting in terms of versatility. In terms of accessibility, data warehouses usually take the cake. Their structured nature makes it easier for users to quickly retrieve and understand the data they need. Data lakes, however, require more specialized tools and skills to navigate and extract value, which might not be readily available in all organizations. But what about scalability? Here, data lakes shine. Their flexible structure allows them to easily accommodate growing volumes of data. Data warehouses, while scalable, often require more planning and resources to expand. Lastly, let's touch on real-time processing. Data lakes, due to their raw, unfiltered nature, are capable of real-time processing, which can be a game-changer in certain scenarios. Data warehouses, on the other hand, are better suited for batch processing due to the time it takes to transform and load data. So, what's the verdict? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. If you're a business with predictable, structured data and need fast, easy access for analysis, a data warehouse might be your best bet. But if you're dealing with a variety of data types or have rapidly growing volumes of data, a data lake could offer the flexibility and scalability you need. The choice between a data lake and a data warehouse depends on your specific business needs and data requirements. Let's recap the key points we've discussed about data lakes and data warehouses. We've delved into the fascinating world of data management, understanding the critical role it plays in our increasingly digital world. Data, we've learned, is not just numbers and facts. It's a currency, a language, and a key driver of innovation and growth. We've introduced the concept of data lakes and data warehouses, two powerful tools for storing, managing, and analyzing data. Data lakes, with their flexible raw storage capabilities, allow for the preservation of data in its original form. They're like vast oceans, storing everything from structured to unstructured data, offering an ocean of possibilities for future analysis and insights. On the other hand, we have data warehouses. These are structured, organized, and optimized for reporting and analysis. Think of them as well-organized libraries where each book, or in this case data, has its designated spot. They provide a clean, efficient, and user-friendly way to access and analyze data. But it's not one over the other. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between a data lake and a data warehouse often depends on the specific needs and goals of your business. A data lake might be the best choice for businesses that require flexibility and a full history of raw data. A data warehouse, on the other hand, could be more suitable for businesses that need structured, easily accessible data for reporting and analysis. In conclusion, data lakes and data warehouses are not rivals, but rather complementary tools in the vast toolkit of data management. They each play a vital role in harnessing the power of data, enabling businesses to make informed decisions, gain insights, and drive innovation. Remember, the right data management method can unlock the power of data, driving your business forward in the digital world.